Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a walk around of a very special vehicle, and with the holidays coming up, couldn't think of a better one than the EV6. So if you're looking for a car that you can fit all your holiday shopping needs inside and the whole family, and not have to pay for any gas, leave you some money left over for the presents, this is it. And with the electrics, right now we have some very exciting incentives going on both lease and purchase transactions. Really a lot of car for the money, especially with the way we have these incentivized. And just look at it. So this one, we have the GT line all-wheel drive. You have this gorgeous two-tone interior, dual 12.3-inch full color screen displays, 64 color ambient lighting, just about every creature comfort, heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, sunroof, as well as technology features such as your adaptive cruise control, limited self-drive, and safety features to keep you from getting into any unfortunate situations, all in a car that looks fabulous, and really you just get so much for the money with these. So if you want to check one out, make the switch to electric, shoot us a call or stop by today.